Thinking about getting the Coolizi Cooling Ace? It's marketed as a portable AC that keeps you cool on the go. Sounds awesome, especially in this heat. But does it actually work or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows my exact process. Links in the description. The Coolizi or Coolizi Cooling Ace is promoted as a compact, wearable air conditioner. It claims to cool your personal space with adjustable fan settings and lightweight design. According to Amazon reviews, some users say it's designed for a light breeze in close range, but don't expect it to cool down a whole room. Meanwhile, malware tips raises some eyebrows about the company behind it. There are concerns about exaggerated marketing, overpriced products, and inconsistent quality. So, mixed bag. Is the Coolizi Cooling Ace a total scam? Not exactly. It's a real product and it might give you a bit of relief in hot weather, but it's not a full-on AC and the bold claims are a bit much. If you're expecting powerful cooling, you'll probably be disappointed. Try the Coolizi yourself. Let us know how it went in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews on trending gadgets and online stores.